Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to set up UpdraftPlus on your WordPress website. This powerful plugin lets you easily create automated backup of your site so you never lose your data. And I'll show you how to set up backup schedule and links to your email, your Google Drive, and even restore a backup if something goes wrong. So stick around and let's get started. So as you can see, this is the interface of UpdraftPlus, and you can see that all those backup are stored in my Google Drive. As you can see, the remote storage is Google Drive, so I don't need to download anything on my computer. And the backup basically is 2 times a day. As you can see, every day I have 2 times a day. And also I gave order to UpdraftPlus to delete the order that are up to 2 months of saving, as you can see. So first, let's get started first by how you can install UpdraftPlus at the first place. So all you need to do is go to plugin, as you can see, and you click on add plugin. Then here, all you need to do is look for UpdraftPlus. So as you can see, here is the plugin. I already installed the plugin. You click install and then click activate. And after activating the plugin, it will give you a tab here at the top, as you can see. Or you can access also to the plugin by going into or you can access also to the plugin by going into the section, as you can see at the bottom left. By clicking on that, you will be redirected directly into the UpdraftPlus page. And here basically you can see all the backup that I did. And in order to take a backup for your website, all you need to do is click on backup now and click on include your database, include your file, and also send this backup to remote storage. I will show you how you can configure first the remote storage, so let's not rush for that now. And here you can say also only allow to this backup to be deleted manually, so it will never be deleted automatically if you say to only conserve certain backup on your storage. And click on backup, wait for a little bit, and then let's wait for the process. So now you can see that the backup has finished running, as you can see, and here you will find this backup files. So basically UpdraftPlus is devising all the backups by parts, like the database, the plugin, the team, the uploads, the others. So you can, just in case you only want to restore your team, you can just choose to restore only your team. Or if you have issues with your plugin, you can choose to restore only your plugin. And that's the best part about this plugin. So if you want to restore it to certain date, so the best part about this plugin is, for example, if I want to restore my website into this specific date, as you can see, all you need to do is click on restore and choose what you want to restore. For example, I want to you want to restore only your plugins and your team and your database. So by clicking on next and applying, the website will be restored into this specific date, as you can see, and it is easy to use. but I will not do that in this video. I'm just explaining how things works. And so by going to settings, you will find those two settings, as you can see. So for my example, for my website, I did choose to take the backup daily, as you can see. So you can make it weekly. For example, if you don't want to consume that much of storage, and retain this many backups is meaning that you only conserve those 8 backups. So for example, if you set it to 20, so it means in your storage it will conserve only the 20 last backup files. So do it as you prefer. And then here on your remote storage, what you need to do is you can set a remote storage where your backup will be stored automatically by your website. So you'll find your backup file in that storage. Just in any case you lose your backup, or your computer is broken, or your USB, you can find your backup in this remote storage, which is a very good option. So you can use Dropbox or Microsoft or Google Drive, as in my case. All you need to do is sign in with your Google Drive. As you can see, my account is signed, and you include the file that you want in the backup. As you can see, all those files are stored in my Google Drive, and so in that case you will not consume any storage on your hosting. So now, after setting your Google Drive, as you can see, account, what you need to do next is you need to go to this section, expert settings, and click on show expert settings. And here, basically, if your website is large and it is more than 1 GB, it will split, UpdraftPlus will split your website into parts. So for example, you can see plugin part 1, plugin part 2, plugin part 3, just for you, in order to avoid any issue uploading your files, because sometimes some servers or some hosting aren't allowing to upload files more than 1 GB. So this will fix your issue. If you find any issue uploading your backup file, you can split them by 1 GB or 200 MB. It depends on your server or your hosting. And that's the so for my example, I did split everything on 1 GB. So if a backup is above 1 GB, it will be split into parts. And then all you need to do now is click on save change. Now everything is clear, everything is well explained. As you can see, in order to delete a backup, it's easy. Just select the specified backup that you want to delete and click on delete here at the bottom, or you can delete all your backup by selecting all and click on delete, and this will delete all your backup files on your UpdraftPlus, including your remote storage such as Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever you are using. So as you can see, I did select to delete all my backup files, such as the 13 local file deleted and 42 remote file deleted. So my remote is now empty, and also my local file are empty. And that's it. That's the purpose of the video, explaining you how to take a backup of your website. If you have any issue applying that or anything that you want to ask me about. I'm here to help you. Now you know how to set up UpdraftPlus to keep your WordPress site safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on WordPress and website management. If you have any question, drop them in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.